你好, welcome to 1 Minute Chinese. 1 minute a day makes your Chinese great. In this lesson, we will talk about the final 窝. When you see the English letter UO in Pinyin, the pronunciation is 窝. It's a combination of the Mandarin Chinese U and O sounds. Say 窝. It's close to the British English word war. Say 窝. Your lips are from a small rounded shape to a medium rounded shape. Say 窝. Now, mimic the mouth shape in the video carefully and repeat after it. 乌哦乌哦乌哦窝窝窝 When the final 窝 sound is not following an initial or consonant, it is spelled as WO. 窝 is nest in Chinese. Let's combine the initial 哥, the final 窝, and the high-pitched first tone all together. 哥窝锅. Repeat after me. 哥窝锅锅锅锅. Guo is pot in Chinese. Let's combine the initial 诗, the final 窝, and the high-pitched first tone all together. 诗窝说. Repeat after me. 诗窝说说说说. 说 is to speak in Chinese. Question. When you see UO and WO in Pinyin, how would you pronounce them? The answer is 窝. Are there any topics that you're interested in learning Chinese? Feel free to comment below. We're here to help. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a new video. 1 minute Chinese a day makes your Chinese great. Have a blessed day.